How to reset Gboard settings on Android. This tutorial shows you how to reset your keyboard back to its default settings on your Android device. First, go to your home screen and long press on the Gboard app icon. After that, tap on the Info or I button to go to App Info. From there, tap on Storage. At this point, tap on Clear Cache first to remove any temporary files. In the next step, tap on Clear Data to fully reset all Gboard settings back to default. Following this, a warning will appear letting you know that all your Gboard data, including custom words and settings, will be erased. Tap OK to confirm. Once done, go back to your home screen and open any app with a text field to bring up the keyboard. From here, Gboard will now launch as if it is freshly installed, with all settings restored to default. Finally, go through the Gboard setup if prompted, and reconfigure any preferences, like language or theme to your liking. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you reset your Gboard keyboard, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.